Hi, my name is Isabel, and this is a very quick demonstration video on how Blocworx is used in the hospitality sector in hotels, restaurants, pubs, and catering facilities. So here we have your overview screen, which can be customized to any of your business requirements. So for example, we'll click on your fridge temperature tracker. So here your employees can easily track their temperature checks of the fridges, so they can simply enter in here the date, the time, whether it was in the morning or the evening, and they can choose the location. So these locations can be customized to your facility, and then they'll check in here their name. So here in the temperature checks, they'll enter the fridge temperature, and once they enter this information, their initials will show up here to show that they've checked off that fridge. Or they can also enter freezers, and if there's any issue with the check, they can report it here to the supervisor and enter any additional comments that they'd like. So here, to make it easy to make the transition from paper to digital forms, we've got the original paper document here in an image format that they can easily access at any point. And then finally, they'll click the final submit button, and the information will then appear here in your results section. If you'd like to export this information into a PDF folder or a Excel sheet, you can click export all data, and as you'll see here, a quick Excel sheet has started to download, and that's accessible within seconds. And then to load more data or to see data from weeks or months ago, you can click load more data, and you can see here you can have different pages, so you can quickly within seconds go back and refer to previous temperature checks that had taken place. So back to our overview screen here. So for cleaning schedules such as deep cleans, buffet cleaning, or coffee dock daily recording, you can simply click into the form, fill out the date, the location again, and the name. And here you'll see that we have simple check boxes that can be ticked by employees, and their initials will appear here to prove that they've signed off and the cleaning has been completed. So you can have your frequency customized to your needs and also the chemicals that are required. And then again, you can enter, if there's any issues, you can report them to the supervisor and enter any comments. And here you have the format of the form that's required to your needs again. For management then, who want to sign off on these documents, the manager can quickly select the form that they want to sign off on. So for example, buffet cleaning and temperature recording. They can select the week that it occurred, and then they can quickly sign it using their e-signature here and submit the form. They now have recordings of each of the sign-offs that they've approved for record keeping. This then can be exported as well to an Excel sheet quickly and easily, and more data can be loaded. User role hierarchy rules can also be implemented for management. So here they can have a staff master list where employees' names can be implemented, their location, their profession, and their initials. So here they have a full record of all the employees that are inputting information into Blocworx, and employees will all be given their own separate logins to the system. Blocworx is a web-based cloud platform, which means it can be accessed on any mobile device that has an internet connection, so it doesn't need to be integrated with any other system. The flexibility of Blocworx platform allows you to track, record, and manage every process without reams of paperwork. This can range from food supplier inventory to hygiene checklists and audits. If you'd like to find out more about Blocworx, visit blockworx.com or email us at info@blockworx.com. Thanks.